Hello everyone, my name is Adam Doherty. Thank you for joining the Doherty Law Firm's presentation of Know the Law. In this series, we're going to talk about insurance coverage for your automobile, what types of insurance there is, and how much you should have. So, when it comes to automobile insurance, there are two types of liability policies that you can purchase for your car. The first is bodily injury, or BI. What bodily injury is, it's an insurance policy that protects you because if you are at fault in a motor vehicle crash and you hurt or injure someone else, the BI policy that you purchased will go to help pay that person's economic damages, including their medical bills, time they've missed from work. So it's really important. It should be noted, however, that Florida is the only state in the country that does not require drivers carry a BI policy. That is shocking when you consider that people from all around the world come visit Florida every year. Disney alone has over 52 million visitors a year, and we do not require the people driving to carry this bodily injury coverage. I hope that this clears up some of the confusion. Now listen, while bodily injury coverage is not necessary in the state of Florida, it's important to have it, and here's why. You want to pick a bodily injury coverage with a sufficient enough amount that it's gonna, take care of the injured party. So the way that BI works is you can buy it in segments. So it may be 25-50, 50-100, 100-300, 250-500. So if you have a 100-300 policy, that means that your insurance company will not pay more than $100,000 for any one individual making a claim. It also means that they will not pay out more than $300,000 to any one claim. So it works like this. If you're at fault and you crash into a vehicle and there are two occupants of that vehicle, the most your insurance company would ever pay out on that claim would be $200,000, $100,000 per person. However, if the vehicle that you hit was a minivan and there were 8 people inside, $100,000 would be the most they would pay to any one of those 8 people that brings a claim. And the most that they would spend in total for all 8 claims brought against you would be $300,000. The second type of liability insurance that you can buy for your vehicle is property damage. Now that property damage, again, will cover another person's property damage if you are at fault for causing property damage, whether it's to another vehicle or any other thing that you could possibly hit with a car. A recent report by the Insurance Research Council showed that the state of Florida leads the country in uninsured drivers. 26.7% of vehicles on the road do not have insurance. Now, I told you earlier, BI insurance is not required. That's not even figured into that. So the amount of people driving without bodily injury insurance is even higher than that 26.7%. For that reason, it's important that you buy a policy called which stands for uninsured motorist or underinsured motorist coverage, and we'll talk about that more in the next video. Like always, if you have comments or questions, please email us at team@wetrycases.com or leave a comment in the section below. Thank you.